Using a U.S. bank ATM is a convenient way to manage your finances. To start, locate a U.S. bank ATM near you by visiting the U.S. Bank website or using the mobile app. Once you have found an ATM, follow these steps. First, approach the ATM and insert your card into the card reader. Make sure to insert the card with the magnetic stripe facing down and the logo facing up. The ATM will then prompt you to enter your personal identification number or PIN. Enter your PIN using the keypad, making sure to cover the keypad with your hand to prevent others from seeing your PIN. Once you have entered your PIN, select the language you prefer to use from the options provided. Next, choose the type of transaction you want to perform, such as withdrawing cash, checking your balance, or transferring funds. If you want to withdraw cash, select the withdrawal option and choose the account you want to withdraw from, such as your checking or savings account. Then, enter the amount you want to withdraw using the keypad. Make sure to enter the correct amount, as the ATM will dispense the exact amount you enter. The ATM will also provide you with the option to select the denomination of the bills you want to receive. Once you have completed your transaction, the ATM will dispense the cash and provide you with a receipt. Make sure to take your card, cash, and receipt before leaving the ATM. It is also important to keep in mind some best practices when using a U.S. bank ATM. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings. Do not use an ATM that appears to have been tampered with or is in a secluded area. Also, do not share your PIN with anyone or write it down, as this can compromise the security of your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and securely use a U.S. bank ATM to manage your finances. Remember to always review your account activity regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized.